I'm again reading the update on behalf of Mr. Eric Quezon, the family spokesperson. Okay, here it goes. As of 5 p.m. June 26, Mr. Quezon's condition remains critical but stable. Today is his rest day from dialysis. He has become more responsive and active. He smiled for the first time since last week. His physical senses also seem to be heightened since he has become ticklish again. Consequently, he can also feel pain now, and it shows from his facial expressions and movements from time to time. That's a good sign. His platelets, though, have risen, but still are considered low, on the low level. That is why we continue to have blood transfusions. He will have a dialysis session tomorrow. Visitation is stricter now as per doctor's advice, primarily because of health risks, exposure to viruses and bacteria, which might put him in a compromised position because he is, as you can surmise, immunocompromised. Another reason is to also protect Mr. Quezon's family, principally Mr. Quezon and his family's privacy. For visitors wishing to see him, please contact a family member for clearance. Thank you for your understanding, and please continue to keep Mr. Quezon in your prayers. Okay? So that's the bulletin for this afternoon. Just a few questions.
Sir, ano po yung stand ng hospital regarding dun sa nagpumilit daw na pumasok kahapon na member of the press and took pictures?
I don't recall. I did not get any information about that.
So wala po nung kinalaman yung stricter visitor?
Wala naman. Kasi yung you must understand na syempre yung family dalawang linggo na tayo, medyo pagod na rin sila. Tapos yun din nga, immunocompromised si Mr. Quezon. So ayaw natin magkaroon ng iba pang problema. Marami na siyang problema as it is.
Doc, pwede po pa-explain bakit po good sign yung indication na nararamdaman yung pain o pain?
Well, pag nakakaramdam ka, that's a good sign. Ibig sabihin na yung senses mo, yung function ng body is improving. Kesa nung araw na hindi siya responsive.
Usually po, ano po kaya yung masasabi natin maaaring source ng pain na na-feel niya po?
Wala, ibig sabihin, sinabi lang nila, wala naman sinabing may pain. What they said is that yung kanyang pain sense, no? Or yung ticklish, sabi medyo nakikiliti daw ulit siya. I guess kilala nila, so that was yung father nila. Nagre-respond siya sa stimuli. Okay?
Paano nag-respond yung family? Paano nag-respond yung family, sir, na marino ng slides?
Well, syempre, family, worried sila dahil sa condition ng father nila. Masaya, just like any other family.
So, can we say na is on his way to full recovery?
His recovery, mahirap sabihin, quantify yun kung full o hindi. Like they say, critical but stable, and it's one day at a time. Dami siyang problema eh. Okay?
Things go well, magkano kadalas po yung dialysis?
Depende yun sa mga parameters ng blood test, yung kanyang response ng katawan niya.
Sir, from now on, kayo na po ba magbibigay ng updates?
I don't know. I guess from time to time, makikitulong din siya na ako magbigay, or maybe on some days, siya.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung blood transfusion niya, sir.
Oo, gaya ng sabi, kasi yung platelet niya, although nag-improve, platelets niya, hindi pa rin yung level na gusto, no? At saka yung situation din ng katawan.
So, bakit hindi po yung dialysis?
Hindi, rest day na, hindi naman araw-araw yun eh.
Okay.
Gaya ng sinabi natin, depende sa pangangailangan. So, hindi niya kailangan today. So,
So, maganda naman yung responses sa dialysis.
suite. Nagaling siya, nag-improve.
May baka po na i-detalye lang po nila yung how strict they're going to be sa pagpasok mo sa ICU.
Well, to begin with, the ICU is a restricted area. And you must understand na usually family members lang. Even family members restricted to a certain number. There are reasons that require us to be a strict infection first of all. No? Tsaka syempre, yung peace and quiet ng mga pasyente ang kailangan nila para bumalik. So, yung ICU, merong hallway on either side and doon ang access. Yung kay Mr. Tizon, he is on a side where there is a glass window. So, pwedeng tingnan doon. Merong blind view glass. Pagka pwedeng bumisita o pwedeng tumingin doon. So, gaya ng nasabi nila, yung family members ang nag-screen ng mga visitors na pwedeng pumunta. So, ang coordination ng visits to the family members. Palagi namang meron silang family member na nandito. Okay?
Ano ba yung circumstances po nung pag-meeting po ni...
Wala. Yun lang. Oo. Okay?